5 years from now, AI literacy will define student success. The real question is, will your students be consumers of technology or creators of it? Introducing AI Connect by STEMROBO, a complete AI and coding ecosystem designed to transform schools into future-ready innovation hubs. AI Connect is not just a platform. It is a structured journey that takes a student from curiosity to confidence to creation. What makes AI Connect truly exceptional? Imagine a student stepping into the world of AI for the very first time. They don't start with complex syntax or intimidating code. They begin with simple, intuitive, block-based Python coding. Drag, drop, understand logic visually. As their confidence grows, something powerful happens. With AI Connect's block-to-text and text-to-block conversion, they begin to see how visual logic transforms into real Python code. Gradually, they move from guided learning to writing actual programs, seamlessly. Then, they execute their work inside a professional Python environment through Python idle integration, experiencing real-world coding practices, not just classroom simulations. But AI Connect doesn't stop at coding. Students begin exploring how machines learn. Through interactive artificial intelligence activities, they understand how AI makes decisions. Through structured machine learning modules, they experiment with data, patterns, and intelligent models, just like industry professionals. And then comes the breakthrough moment. With Mechatron simulation, students step into a virtual robotics lab. They assemble mechanical components digitally, build robotic systems, program them using block-based coding, and test their designs in real-time simulation. They debug, they optimize, they observe robot behavior before ever touching hardware. It's safe experimentation, it's rapid prototyping, it's hands-on robotics learning, accessible from any classroom. All of this is delivered through a NASSCOM-certified structured learning pathway, ensuring credibility, measurable outcomes, and national recognition. And for schools, implementation is seamless, with LMS integration, enabling monitoring, assessments, and structured delivery without disrupting existing systems. The future belongs to students who understand AI, not fear it. With AI Connect, your school doesn't follow the future, it leads it. AI Connect by STEMROBO, where young minds learn to build intelligent worlds.